What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It is June 1st. Whew, sorry, I gotta catch my breath. Yeah, so today is June 1st, and I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the news, but I know there's been, at least for the people that live in the United States, there's been a lot of looting going on. And I wanna really encourage you not to get too caught up in it, right? So today I wanted to share my top 3 tips for getting in shape and staying on track with your fitness goals. So here we go. So first tip is find something to keep you motivated. So motivation is not the most important aspect of really reaching your fitness goals. It's up there, but it's not the most important one, and I'm going to explain in a minute when I get to the third point. But first off, why is motivation important? Well, without motivation, you're not really going to find the reason to actually get out of bed and do your workouts, or create the foods that you need to eat to stay on track. So really just find that motivation, whatever motivates you, whether it's fitting into that pair of jeans that you haven't fitted in 10 years, or really getting ready for the summer for your bikini body, or you want to fit in that bathing suit and rock a six-pack abs. Whatever it is, find it. So for tip number 2, you need to have goals set. So if you don't have any goals set, it's going to be kind of hard for you to figure out exactly what you're trying to attain. So one, you should always have a goal. Even if you've reached your first goal, you should create another one, and second goal, and so forth. So my suggestion is find a realistic goal that you want to reach. So for most of you probably watching this video, you're probably trying to lose weight. So don't try to aim to lose 30, 50 pounds and be disappointed when you don't hit that mark. Set a realistic goal, like 20 pounds, and you want to hit that mark, let's say in 2 months, 3 months, whatever your time frame is. Make that your first goal. Once you accomplish that, get to the next one. Goal setting gives you a purpose and a reason to actually move forward with inspiring motivation. So that would be my next big tip. And it is starting to rain, even though it's sunny, so I'm gonna have to get to the next point rather quickly. I'm gonna adjust here. All right, guys, so this is turning into another video being recorded over a 2-day period. So back to my third point. Tip number 3 is going to be consistency. So if you're not consistent, you're not going to really see any real results, right? Too often I see people emailing me. I see just all the time in general where people expect instant gratification. They want instant results. And you have to remember, how long did it take you, for instance, if you're trying to lose weight, how long did it take you to put on that weight? If it took you 3-6 months, you can't expect to lose all that weight in 2 weeks. Another problem I see is people lose all this weight and then they gain it all back. And then they're wondering, what the hell went wrong? Where did they screw up? Well, what were you doing before, and what did you change so drastically? Because your body's not going to adapt to that change very well if you're going from eating veggies and lean proteins and then you go all of a sudden eating and drinking pizza every night. So consistency plays a big role. So you got to be consistent with your workouts. You got to be consistent with your eating. Speaking of eating, it's time for the first meal of the day. Let's get into it. All right, so back to my point. I actually wanted to reverberate something I said earlier and kind of retract it. So I do encourage you to be passionate about your beliefs, because I know there's a lot of shit going on in the world that's a little crazy right now. And I encourage you to be passionate Just don't let it let you slip to the point where you're getting upset about everything that's going on. It's okay to be upset, just don't let that affect you so you fall off your fitness goals. So that's all I have for today's video. I haven't got any of my fitness equipment yet, so once I get that stuff in, I'm going to start doing a lot more recordings for you. Regardless, the next video, I promise I'm going to do some video content with some actual exercises, because I know all of you are in the same boat as I am. You don't have fitness equipment, you don't have access to a gym, and you probably don't have much to work with, and you probably need some ideas on what you can do with the limited options you have. So that's it for today's video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. Hit those notification bells, and I will see you on the next video.